You know what's scarier than being broke? Not knowing why you're broke. If your bank account feels like a leaky bucket, money comes in, money goes out, and somehow you're still stressing every month, it's time for a reset. Quick pause. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and like this video, because here at Money Map TV, we don't just talk about money. We talk about making it work for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to save smarter, spend without guilt, and think about money like the wealthy do. Why most people struggle with money and don't even know it. Most people think the reason they're bad with money is because they don't earn enough. That's only partly true. The bigger issue, no plan, no system, no awareness. Studies show that nearly 65% of people don't track their spending at all. That's like trying to lose weight without knowing what you eat. Here's the truth. You can't control what you don't measure. Drop a comment below. Be honest. Do you currently track your spending? Or is it more of a, I check my balance and hope for the best kind of thing? The art of saving without feeling broke. Here's the thing. Saving isn't about restriction. It's about automation. If you try to save whatever is left after spending, spoiler alert, nothing will be left. Pro tip, treat savings like a bill. Pay yourself first, before rent, Netflix, or your weekend Uber Eats binge. Even $50 a month adds up faster than you think. And yes, you can still enjoy life. Saving isn't tea, no lattes ever. It is, I'm building wealth and drinking my coffee guilt-free. By the way, if you're getting value so far, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this is worth showing to more people who need money help. Smart spending, how to enjoy life without wrecking your wallet. Ever notice how the fun purchases somehow cost you the most over time? Impulse spending is basically a tax on impatience. Here's a rule the rich use. If you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it once. This stops you from making emotional credit card killer purchases. Also, focus your spending on things that give you long-term happiness, not just short dopamine hits. Travel, learning, hobbies, these beat random online shopping sprees every time. Comment below. What's one thing you don't regret spending money on? I might feature your answer in the next video. Thinking rationally about money, the investor's mindset. Here's the truth. Wealthy people think in percentages, not just dollars. If you get a $1,000 bonus, the average person says, "What can I buy?" The wealthy person says, "How much of this goes to investments, savings, and fun based on my percentages?" Also, stop thinking of money as something you work for and start thinking of it as a tool that works for you. Every dollar you save or invest is like hiring a little employee that works 24/7 to make you more money. If this part is clicking for you, subscribe right now so you don't miss next week's video where I break down the beginner's guide to investing without losing your shirt. The 3-step action plan for financial sanity. Let's make this practical. 1. Automate your savings. Direct deposit a set percentage into a savings investment account. 2. Budget the fun. Yes, actually plan your fun spending so you don't go overboard. 3. Track weekly, adjust monthly, review your numbers, see where you overspent, and fix it. If you do this for even 90 days, I promise your relationship with money will completely change. Your challenge: take control starting today. Today I challenge you. Open a separate savings account just for automation. Cut one recurring expense you don't use. Comment below with the money habit you're starting this week. I'll be checking the comments and replying to as many as I can. Money isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. You have more control than you think. If you want more no-fluff, Gen Z-friendly money strategies, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with someone who needs a financial reset. And remember, money is just a tool. Learn to use it, and it will build the life you actually want.